to the 441st episode of Gantsilyera, a show and tell of crochet and craft related items. Today is November 24, 2023. It's a Friday, and I'm taking an earlier podcast today to share with you guys the MTOs I was able to accomplish during the span of the week, and I'm kind of rushing it because my classmate's friend is gonna pick it up soon. So I want to share with you guys the two big puffin birds that I was able to assemble yesterday. I was able to whip up the parts of it and put it together yesterday, although it is missing some things or some details to it. So this is how it looks like. Yesterday I was able to sew the bonnet, the wings, the feet, and the beak to it. So that is how it turned out. That is how the wing looked like. And this is the beak. It has a line on the iris like so. And the feet looks like this. And it turned out quite identical, although some parts is not that identical. So those are the two puffin birds. So the only missing bit for the big puffin bird is the tassel on top of the bonnet, like right here. So I'm gonna whip it up later. And then I was able to finish the smaller ones, although they are still missing this tassel part here, or some type of pom-pom, and also some line for the eyes. But I was able to whip up 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 of them. So I'm going to finish them later so that I can have it packed, and I will be able to contact my classmate's friend so he can pick it up soon. So those are the small puffin birds. Another thing I want to share with you guys are some small yarn purchases that I have made the other day, and I have also taken some clips of my visit on Dyno Makes, and I will merge those clips with this one so I can share with you guys my yarn trip. So I was able to purchase 5 of these yarns here, which are the acrylic cotton blend yarns. They are pricier, but I want to try them out, and they are 50-gram balls, and this one is called bubblegum. This other one I picked it up because I needed the color for Sophie's order, and this one is called alder brown, and it has this label right here, just like so in Chinese. The third one I picked out is called taro purple, and I need this for the horn of the unicorn that I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna make a unicorn. I'm gonna rush that order because my friend is going back to America soon. And then I have this bright yellow here, and then I picked out a rice wine. So this is gonna be the face of the amigurumi that I'm gonna make soon. And then I picked out 10 variegated yarns in this milk cotton variegated here, and I want to try them out for the mirrors that I'm making, the mirror holders. So they don't have any labels to it, but I picked out this ones here. So those are my yarn purchases, and please do check out my clips of Dyno Mix. And if you're in Manila, I highly recommend for you guys to visit there and purchase some yarns. So those are most of the things that I want to share with you guys today. I'm going to edit this. Tomorrow we're going to meet up with my best friend. I haven't seen her for a while, and it is her birthday on the 26th. So we're gonna be celebrating with her tomorrow. We're going to a certain mall along with my ate, so that we can have a short meet up and eat outside. So Also, tomorrow is gonna be Miss Jan's birthday. So, happy birthday, Miss Jan. I hope you're gonna enjoy your day. And I have put here the fairy lights that my friend gave me. I have been opening it at night and it looks quite cool. So that is how it looks like. So I'm gonna let you guys go right now, and I'm hoping that you have fine time crafting and maybe some family bonding type of sorts, as I always say. So that's it from me. God bless everyone. Hello everyone! So I'm making a short clip today to share with you guys the Carlito that I was able to whip up during the span of 2 days. So it is this small amigurumi right here, and my friend requested for a bigger one, so I made a bigger one. So this is how it turned out, and I just want to share with you guys before I send it to him. So hopefully he will like this one. And yes, there's a difference between the two. The eyes is different. This one has a wing to it, and this doesn't have a wing to it. And yes, this is how it looks like. So I just want to share with you guys before I give it to him. Guys, I'm back here at 1 Plaza. Gonna buy yarns today. It's the place. So I'm going to the 3rd floor. It's the place. Going this way. Room 310. Hello, I'm back at Dyno Makes. They have a different setup today. They have acrylic blend, 5-ply cotton acrylic blend. So this is the place. They also have some leaves. Guys, meron din silang back base, and embroidery hook. Meron ding plastic mesh, tsaka fiber fill. So ito na yung mga chunky chenille. Tapos variegated milk cotton. O diba? Ito guys yung variegated nila. Maraming iba-ibang kulay. 5-ply milk cotton variegated. Yung velvet yarn nila 61 pesos. Ayan, may mini chenille din. Mga kulay nila. Dami. Tapos, rainbow cotton yarn. 137. May plain. And then, may gradient. Safety eyes. Guys. Tsaka buttons. Lobster glass, tsaka safety eyes na may white dots. 8-ply milk cotton. Meron silang amigurumis. Ayan guys, rabbit. Tapos bell basic, cotton. Cotton siya. Ito yung gusto ko i-try guys, yung acrylic cotton blend. So, merong kulay. $49 yung 4 ply. Yung 5 ply, 55 pesos. Ito yung pure cotton doon. May monkey. T-shirt yarn. Needles. Hooks. And guys, punta na kayo dito. Dyno mix.